Hi everybody, welcome to the video of the day. This is a follow-up video for the Sony Dream Machine alarm clock. I'm going to show you how it sounds like. I set the time at 9:33. So I have a buzzer right now. So any minute now, it should ring. You hit the snooze button, which is on the top over here. Then it's gonna be go for 10 more minutes of sleep. This is in response to a question inquiry from another viewer, Rise. Snooze is set for 10 minutes. Okay, so you turn it off in the morning. Just move the thing back to the off position. Okay, there you go. So thanks for joining me today. And this is a follow-up video on the Sony Dream Machine alarm sound and setup. Thanks, bye.